Let us look at an illustration of how ANA data would be combined with a quarterly indicator for Q&A compilation. Assume that the annual gross value added of the telecommunications industry in constant prices in 2020 was 2400. This estimate was derived using results from an annual telecommunications business survey and a set of telecommunication producer price indices. Assume that the Q&A compiler has access to quarterly estimates of the number of accounts and overall cellular traffic. This indicator is closely related to the annual series but has some differences in definition and coverage. This quarterly indicator shows that the value in Q2 of 2020 is 16.7% higher than in Q1. This indicator reflects volumes rather than current prices because it is measured in quantities. The sum of the indicator series for the 4 quarters of 2020 is 1600, that is 360 plus 420 plus 430 plus 390. This information allows the series to be compared with and linked to the annual benchmark from the ANA. The indicator has a different level than the ANA target as would be expected because of the different definition. In this case, the benchmark 2400 is 1.5 times the indicator in 2020. That is, the benchmark to indicator ratio is 2400 divided by 1600, which is 1.5. The benchmark to indicator ratio can be applied to the quarterly indicator to estimate the quarterly gross value added in constant prices of the telecommunications industry. For example, for Q1, we have 360 multiplied by 1.5, which is equal to 540. Note that because of benchmarking, the estimated quarterly series sums up to the same value as the ANA data in 2020, that is 540 plus 630 plus 645 plus 585, which is equal to 2400, and also maintains the same quarterly percentage changes as the original quarterly indicator. To sum up, we have produced a quarterly estimated series that uses the information about the level from the annual data and is consistent with the ANA, and uses the information about the quarterly evolution from the quarterly indicator. This simple method relies on the assumption that there is a stable relationship between the quarterly indicator and the ANA target variable. In the Q&A and high frequency indicators of economic activity compilation, more sophisticated benchmarking methods are in general possible.